Hello, how are you? I hope you are safe and everything is running well. This is Albert Gené, the owner of Mas Vilella and other projects in Montsant and Priorat. Today I want to share you a very special wine, which is Mas Vilella 17, which is a beautiful red wine from the state, the Mas Vilella. Mas Vilella is a property from 16th century, very old, where I'm living now with my family and I used to live in the past. And this vineyard was planted for my father, and it's a single vineyard. It's the state wine, is the name of the vineyard, Mas Vilella, and it was planted in a very poor calcareous stony soil, and it makes the vineyard suffering a lot. It's in La Bisbal del Penedès. It used to be Dio Penedès. Now, since I'm making it since 2015, it's not Dio Penedès anymore. It's table wine, Vino Varietal, okay? And well, I want to share this with you because it's a very special wine for me because the vineyards were planted by my father. It's a very rich, very intense, very elegant, very smart wine with a lot of complexity of fruitiness, aging flavors. Very powerful, very intense. Although I'm in love with local grapes, this is Cabernet Sauvignon and a little bit of sumoll that my father planted in '84, and this is a very emotional, very special wine for me. You can drink it now, you can age 15, 20, 30 years because we have bottles since '88 vintage and now they are fantastic. I hope you enjoy it, okay? Have fun. Bye bye.